Today we're going to be looking at the point of intersection for two linear graphs. The learning goal for today is that students will be able to graph two intersecting lines on the same set of axes and read off this point of intersection. So this point of intersection is where they both meet. The first step is to draw the linear graphs. So as we've done before, the steps are 1, to do a table of values filled through substitution. So we do all the x values and then we do the y values. We then draw up our axes or our coordinate plane and we number them and making sure that the spaces are even. And then we place the coordinates onto the graph and then we join the line, join the dots with the line. And that's how we draw our linear graphs. For this particular chapter, what you'll need to do is draw two linear graphs, one on top of each other on the exact same coordinate plane. After you've done that, what you'll need to do is find the point of intersection. So for example, if I drew these two graphs, y equals 2x plus 3 and y equals minus a half x plus 7, and we drew them on the same coordinate plane, what I need to do for this chapter is I need to find the point of intersection. And that point is going to be this here. So it's the point where the two lines meet. And these are written as coordinates. So the x coordinate first and then the y coordinate. And these are going to be the same for each line because it's the exact same spot that they both meet. So let's go through a few examples. So for example, if I drew up the graph of y equals x plus 2, which is the blue line, and then the graph y equals 2x plus 1, which is the red line, what I need to do is find this point, the point of intersection. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to write these in the form of an ordered pair. And the first thing I need to do in an ordered pair is find my x value. So I've got my point here, and then I'm going to go down to the x-axis, and as you can see, with this x-axis, every two little squares is 1. So if we go across, 1. So the x-coordinate is 1, and then I'm going to find my y value. So if I go across this way here, it's the value 3, because you've got 2 and then 3. So my coordinates should be 1 and 3. If I have a look at this particular graph here, I've got two linear lines, and what I need to do is find my point of intersection. And that point here is on the x-axis. If I go down, is this point here. So if I go across, that's 1, 2. So my coordinate is 2, comma, and then my y value, if I go across this way and read off the y-axis, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So my coordinate here would be 2, 4, written like this. So when we do our point of intersection, you've got to write it in terms of an ordered pair. So you have your x value and then you have your y value. What you need to do now is complete the Google form below and make sure you write your answers as a coordinate pair with a bracket, x value, comma, y value, close bracket.